Owen's kitchen. Today recipe 3 ingredient, super simple.
Today I'm making 3 ingredient dessert. This is lemon posset. Here I have a simple presentation with couple of extra on top, but you can eat its own. Here I have a 600 ml double cream, 150 gram custard sugar, 2 lemons. First I'm going to boil double cream with sugar. Also I need some lemon zest and lemon juice. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil with low heat till all the sugar has dissolved. Then I'm going to add some lemon zest. This is ready. Now I'm going to add some lemon juice. Give a stir everything well combined and leave this for about 4 to 5 minutes to get cool. Then pour mixture into a jug. Now I'm ready to divide this mixture into 4 portions. My next step is I'm going to leave them in the fridge for overnight, or you can leave them in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours until they're completely set. You can see here this is nicely set. Now I'm going to do a simple presentation with blackberries, shortbread with lemon zest on top. This is optional. You can add any fruit you want to or any decorate you like. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.